Twitter page with paper. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. This is my favorite time of the month when I get to share with you the latest Club La La Land Crafts kit reveal, and this reveal is for the month of February 2021. This kit is so exciting and fun because Marci is back with my favorite pose, and I'll show you that in just a second. When you receive your kit, the first thing that you're going to notice is the beautiful padded envelope that it arrives in. And this month, mine came to me in this gorgeous rose gold color. Inside the envelope are 2 stamp sets and several dies. The stamps are always foam mounted and deeply etched red rubber. This month, there is Retro Marci, complete with her sassy little hand on her hip. I cannot get enough of this pose. There is also 2 super cute sets of poodle stamps called Good Times. There is a pair of dancing poodles and then a poodle with roller skates, which is my personal favorite. I had absolutely no idea that I even needed a roller skating poodle stamp until I saw this little guy. There are also several sentiments included with the kit. Number 1, what's shaken? Number 2, you're not old, you're mid-century modern. And I have a pretty good idea who I'm sending that one to. Number 3, let the good times roll. Number 4, shake, rattle, and roll. Number 6, never miss a chance to dance. I'm sorry, that was number 5. And then number 6, hope you're back into the swing of things soon. Number 7, let's rock and roll. Also included in the kit are 3 sets of dies. There is this fun jukebox die, which can be cut out of either colored cardstock or cut out of your white cardstock and then colored. And number 2 is a milkshake die, which has several pieces. There's the glass, the straw, a tiny little cherry, and whipped cream or ice cream. And number 3, there's also this darling French fry box that folds up just like a miniature box of fries. And there are even 2 dies for fries, which can be added to the French fry box. I tell you that Irina thinks of everything. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you 2 of the cards that I made with this month's kit. First of all, I colored the jukebox with Copics, and then I colored Marci with Copics also, but I paper pieced her skirt with the Just For You background stamp. The pink paper was made with the Hearts and Harlequin layering stencil set. For my second card, as soon as I saw the roller skating poodle stamp, I knew that I had to make a card with rainbow poodles delivering rainbow milkshakes. It was such a fun card to put together. When you initially subscribe, you will be given 3 different subscription options. Number 1 is the stamps only option for $19.99. Number 2 is the dies only option for $29.99, or everything that you see today for $39.99, and that's truly the very best value. Each month, the kit value is anywhere between $65 and $80, and this month the value is $77.99. So you're paying nearly 50% off for the whole kit. So you can see what a great deal that is. It's such a great value, and every month you're going to receive an exclusive tutorial from all of the design team members just for kit subscribers. There is a link included with your kit, and it comes on the graphics card, so be sure to check that out. The last day to subscribe is February 28th, and that is not too far off, so don't wait. Alrighty, that is everything for me. I think so. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next month. Bye-bye.